Ladies and gentlemen, come on down. Okay, so what we're gonna do on this, because we got these door jambs that are really hard to get everything to lock in, I'm gonna show you guys what we do when we end on a situation like this. Okay, so I've already traced them, I've already put them in, and you're gonna wanna check and make sure that you can get a board backwards. You lock it in backwards. Make sure you can get a board all the way down in there, okay? Another thing you're gonna wanna do is cut the tongue off. I just trimmed a little bit of this tongue off right here. I just scraped it off with my knife so that we can easily hit that board in. And then what you're gonna wanna do is go down through there with some of this here glue, any type of wood glue. We're just gonna put a bead of wood glue in there, okay? And then we're gonna set this row right here, okay? We're gonna put this board in here and we're gonna drop it all the way down and lock it in. See how it's dropping down in there? Okay. And we're gonna take this board here and we're gonna just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle it down in there. Nice and tight, that's good. Okay, next board. Right here. I'm just gonna wiggle this one down in there too. Very good, very good. Okay, and we got the little board there we're gonna leave out for now. Okay, so we're gonna start down here. I'm just gonna shift this row down a little bit. Okay, and then we've already got it glued, we've already got our tongue cut off, so we're just gonna gently, very gently, just wiggle it in there. Now the reason I cut the tongue off was so that this board would wiggle in there real easy, okay? See that? Okay, we'll do this one backwards just to make it a little more interesting. Okay. All right, so guys, now you see we're under the door jamb on both sides. We've glued and pushed that whole piece in. And that's how we end a floor when we're going under some door jambs. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and pay us lots of donations.